Hello, everybody. My name is Gerardo Martinez, and today we're talking about how digital ethics are affecting jobs, and in this case, my chosen profession that I hope to be one day, lawyer. Um, and yeah, this is my speech 3 for oral communications 141. And I just want to start off by with this first slide. Talking about how this world today is more digital than ever, and because of that, so many jobs have had to adapt with that pace at which the world is going to a more digital ways and being more digital. And I'm gonna discuss how my chosen profession, that of a lawyer, has been affected by these changes of digitalism. And I have this little infographic right here, saying what digital etiquette is and how it is important for jobs to practice it, because now that the world is going more digital, it is even more important for people in the workplace to practice digital etiquette. Lawyers are affected by digital etiquette through their social networking. In today's age, so many people get advertisements through social media. You always see ads on Facebook or Instagram, people offering their services. And because of this, many businesses have created social media accounts, so they can put their ads out there. And, because of, a way this might affect a lawyer is if the law firm has a business account on social media to advertise their services. Their employees must practice that proper digital etiquette on their personal and business accounts to maintain a good reputation to the firm. They can't just be posting whatever on their personal accounts, because that's still linked to their business accounts. And everything, that a firm has built up, that any business has built up through their social media advertising and stuff like that, the good name they've brought for themselves on social media, can be taken away by one bad usage of digital etiquette. Another way that lawyers are affected by digital etiquette is through virtual meetings, whether it be for a client that they deal with long distance, or because of a pandemic like many people right now are going through. A lawyer sometimes finds themselves doing virtual meetings. It is very important for lawyers to practice digital etiquette over these virtual meetings, especially with clients who they're, who this is the way they deal with the lawyer the most, through the virtual meetings. Because if a lawyer doesn't know how to conduct themselves over those virtual meetings, it tells their client that they are inexperienced, since that is the only way that they have met with the lawyer, through these virtual meetings, which might lead to a client leaving and finding another place of business. You don't really see this as much, but another way that lawyers are affected by digital etiquette is through reporter interviews, media interviews. During an interview, if a lawyer gets interviewed, they must be able to behave appropriately, as they are representing themselves, their firm, and their clients. I want to conclude by just restating how important it is to practice digital etiquette in all workplaces, not just that of a lawyer. It is important in so many various fields, so many different jobs. It is becoming increasingly important to practice digital etiquette. I want to thank you all for your time, and thank you for listening. This has been my speech 3 for oral communications 141.